Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a user journey map with Miro step by step clearly.
Start by opening Miro and creating a new board.
Log into your Miro account or sign up if you don't have one.
Once in the dashboard, click on Create New Board. Choose a blank template for your user journey map.
To set the stage, consider adding a title to your board.
Now, begin by defining your user persona.
Think about who your target user is and what their goals are.
Use sticky notes to create a brief description of your user persona. Next, outline the stages of the user journey.
Identify key phases such as awareness, consideration, decision, and post-purchase.
Create columns for each stage on the board.
Begin placing sticky notes under each column to represent user actions. Identify what the user does at each stage of their journey. Add another row for user feelings.
Reflect on how the user might feel during each phase and add sticky notes accordingly. For a deeper understanding, include touchpoints.
Identify where users interact with your product or service in each phase.
Add shapes or icons to represent these touchpoints clearly. Next, analyze pain points. Consider obstacles the user encounters at each stage and document them. Use a different color for pain point sticky notes to differentiate them. Once the basic structure is in place, add insights.
Include any relevant data or quotes that support your findings.
Use arrows to connect actions, feelings, and touchpoints for clarity. Make sure to review the map for completeness.
Share the board with team members for additional input. Encourage collaboration by inviting others to add comments or suggestions.
After gathering feedback, refine the map to enhance clarity and usability. Finalize the design by adjusting colors and layout for visual appeal. Export your user journey map as needed.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.